Okay, now we've got delivery of some more hardware direct from China. The first thing we notice about this parcel is that it's not soft, so that's a good sign with any package, of course. Hard packages good, soft packages bad. Addressed to me. Inside here should be the 60 electric motors and some propellers, some propeller mounts. I'm not sure what else, I think that's about it actually. So I'll just open this now and then we'll have a look and I'll see if everything has arrived as scheduled. There we go. First we see the propellers. There should be 3 pairs. 2 in each pair, one turns clockwise, one turns counterclockwise. They look quite large actually. Hope I bought the right size. In fact, just to give you an indication of how big they are, we need something for scale. So I've got a frozen pea. There you go. Look how big they are compared to the frozen pea. Massive. So good. 3 pairs of carbon fibre propellers. Not particularly cheap. And in here we should have 6 electric motors. Not packaged quite the same as I showed them on the website. Chinese. But these should be 6. Here's another 2, and I've got 2 a different colour because these 2 are going to be on the front of the hexacopter along with those mounted on those red coloured arms that face the forward motion, just so it's easy to see and get orientated when you're controlling the hexacopter. Let me just see if I can get one out and we'll have a look at it. Okay, here's one of them out of the pack, one of the goldy orangey coloured ones. First thing, notice the 3 wires are all the same colour, so I wouldn't have a clue which way they get connected, and there's no connectors on the end. Okay, so the maker is Tarot. I don't know if you can see there, it's a 4114-11 KV320. And what the 320 means, as I discovered, is that's the RPM for every volt that is applied to the motor. And I'll be using about 22 volts, so that's going to be top speed of 6,500, 6,800 RPM. Some of these motors have KVs of 2,000, so there's 60,000 RPM, extremely fast. But for a bigger hexacopter like this, we just need about 6,000 max RPM of those big propellers like these ones. Just to show again how big it is. Look at that. Okay, that's about it for those motors. What's else in here? Just a few bits and pieces, some quick release propeller mounts. I wanted to get folding propellers, it's easier to carry the hexacopter around I think, but didn't have any, so hopefully these should just snap on and off to transport it around so you can take the propellers off more easily. And that's about it. I assembled a little bit of the landing gear yesterday. There it is here. Some of the landing gear. Wasn't easy without proper instructions. I hope that's how it goes and I hope I've got it around the right way. Unfortunately, as I've discovered, I couldn't do any more than that because some parts are missing from the kit. Not only are some parts missing, a couple of incorrect parts have been included, as I've now discovered, which made it rather tricky. Once again, I suppose that's what happens when you order from China. So I'm going to put those aside for the moment until I can get some new parts, once again from China. In the meantime, I may just try and mount these motors on the ends of the arms. That's about all I can do until the rest of the stuff arrives, all the wires and connectors and things. So I might just put these on the mounts and then they'll have to do it till I get back from Auckland. Okay, alright, that's it. I'll do some more when there is some more to show.